Hi there, students. I had a question from Manji about what's the difference between to give up and to give up on something. Don't give up your dreams. Don't give up on your dreams. And yes, there clearly is a difference between the two. Let's look at the phrasal verb to give up. To give up, to surrender. So he gave himself up to the police. Yeah, the criminal gave himself up. He surrendered. He yielded. To stop doing something, to quit. So he gave up smoking. They gave up trying to find an answer. To give up, to relinquish, to give something over to someone else. He gave up his seat on the train. And then to give up, this is to abandon. So I gave up my dreams. Okay, so I abandoned them. Yeah, I gave up my dreams. Notice as well, to give up, to admit defeat. I give up. I can't find the answer. I give up. You win. Okay, now to give up on, you can use this to talk about to abandon a task or abandon some sort of objective. Yes, so don't give up your dreams. Don't abandon them. Yeah? But don't give up on can also have the idea of to lose faith in something. So don't give up your dreams. Don't say no more. Don't give up on your dreams. Don't lose faith in them. Keep faith with them. Keep trusting that you're actually going to get them. Yeah? So my teacher tried for many years to teach me to play guitar, but eventually he gave up on me. He decided he was never going to be able to do this. Yeah? So if you don't give up on your dreams, keep faith with them. Don't give up your dreams, don't abandon them. But don't give up on, continue to have faith. So here is the difference. Yeah? Don't give up on the team. This is a good team. Have faith, continue to have faith with them. Whereas to give up, just to abandon completely, not to do. So let's see. Don't give up on your thesis. Don't give up on your on this project. Don't abandon it. But this has this second nuance. Don't lose faith in it. So I give up on this. I no longer believe that I can do it. And if you give up on something, that's the reason to actually give up and stop. I had given up on succeeding on this, but I didn't give up trying. Yeah, I'm some sort of masochist perhaps. And that's the idea. Notice, to give up something, yeah, or to give something up are separable. Whereas to give up on something, inseparable goes at the end. So if you're having difficulties with your English, don't give up. Don't stop. Don't give up on your dreams of speaking good English. Have faith. You will be able to do it. And that's the difference between give up and give up on. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Give up versus give up on.